MA makes it deadly.
Look. Dogs get hung like an ornament. I told bro chill, stop forcing it. Meanwhile bros getting forced back cornering them.
15's digging in all of it. Why am I up so talkative? When I back my thing on the mains, he thought it could ski, but bro cornered him.
You get trucked like Franklin's dog, or you get trucked like a nigga from Beckton. I asked my man where he's from, but he should've told me he's from my section.
Broski wet him, stop, dead him. Two niggas dead, no way it ain't ending. Wet, that pack come pending. Bill it up, and queff it.
Southside bro, cause he spitting like fractions, lol. Really tight case like ad-lib. Big bro left little bro, then blame little bro for little bro getting damaged.
Free ball lock for the mad ting. You know I'm a up block hazard. Why do you think when they see me they vanish?
My mom said that I don't got friends. Maybe I should've had sense. Slide to the right or slide to the left. Other ways, but you're still getting wet. That's fun on your head, never aim for the chest. When I like them, we don't aim for the legs. Mobile strips in the day got bent. Affiliation got leaving you dead. You get trucked like Franklin's dog, or you get trucked like a nigga from Beckton. I asked my man where he's from, but he should've told me he's from my section.
Broski wet him, stop, dead him. Two niggas dead, no way it ain't ending. Wet, that pack come pending. Bill it up, and queff it. Drill it up, and dead him. How can you talk in the man when we pop our doors? That's the up boy jetting. I feel up to a bro G checking. Maybe from there, he's holding a wetting. Splash that.
He's from there, holding a wetting. Three on my guys and three on my section. Pop them door, jump out with a west them. Charge to the dash, all in for your minute. Gang go corns and send him to heaven. I'm in a ride, boy.
MA makes it deadly.
I'm in a ride, don't ask if I'm present. Of course, man, there. I got my weapon, go around there. I'm trying to bless him.